That's my code being written right now, and I'm not even typing it. It's a sunny Saturday in California. I'm in a cafe, second coffee in, and this is what my job looks like now. A year ago, this exact session would have looked completely different, but I'll get to that. Welcome to the first vlog on this channel. I've never done this format before, but honestly, this is just what my life looks like. So instead of telling you about it behind a desk, I figured I'd bring you along. This is the thing about me and cafes. This isn't just once in a while treat. This is the ritual. Weekends obviously, but also weekday evenings when there's a spot near me that stays open late. And it's almost never for my day job. It's the side projects. There's always something half built that I want to push forward. It's a tool I'm building. Some weeks it's scripting, videos, sketching ideas, planning content, stuff like that. The project changes. The habit doesn't. If I've got a couple of hours free, some part of my brain is asking which cafe we're going to. And this is my favorite part about working in tech. Everything I need fits in the backpack. A laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, that's it. That is the whole setup. With just that, you can build things that reach people everywhere. You can genuinely change the world from a corner table. Right now, that corner table happens to be in California. We are visiting my in-laws, I'm working remotely for a few weeks, and man, the weather here is a bit unfair. Back home in the Midwest, you get maybe 150 days like this a year, and you're grateful for every one of them. But here, it's like every Tuesday. So yeah, good coffee, good light, laptop open. Let me show you what I'm actually building. This is the part that would have looked completely different a year ago. I told you I'll get to that. A year ago, a session like this meant me typing every line, fighting syntax errors, figuring out why the build broke, wrestling with conflicts, chasing some dependency issue for an hour, all this admin stuff that came with writing software. That was most of the session. And now, watch the screen. That's an AI agent writing the code. My actual work moved up a level. I describe what I need to exist. I review what comes back. I catch the things it gets wrong, and it does get things wrong. I make the calls. This approach, not that one. Ship this, delete that. And honestly, the realest version of my job now happens in the notebook. This is where the software gets built. The thinking, the design, the decisions, the laptop just types it. I know the definition of fun is different for everyone. Some engineers genuinely love the low-level stuff, the grinding, the 2 a.m. debugging, respect. But for me, I think we were meant to live our lives creatively, and every piece of grunt work that I can hand off is more time spent on the parts I actually love, the thinking, the designing, the deciding what should exist. And these tools keep getting better. Week after week, they genuinely do. Which brings me to the thing that everybody keeps saying online. Software engineering is dead. You've seen those posts. If AI writes code, why would anyone need engineers? And half of that take I actually love. The fact that anyone can now vibe code a little app for themselves, a tool, a toy, a weekend thing, that is genuinely incredible. Most people building is a good thing. Full stop. But this engineers aren't needed anymore crap, bro, no. What you're watching me do today, this is engineering. The judgment, the review, the knowing when it's strong. The typing was never the job. Every time the tools got easier, compilers, Stack Overflow, the cloud, we ended up with more engineers, not fewer. I've made whole videos on this. I'll link them somewhere on the screen. So no, I refuse to believe the job is dying. The job is changing for sure, and massively. Changing and dying are two different things. The nice thing about saying this on camera, it is timestamp. I'll be here in a couple of years, you'll be here, and you'll see who was right. So that was my first one, a cafe, a build session, and whatever was on my mind. If you want more of these, tell me in the comments, because honestly, this is just my actual life. I could film these on work from home days too, instead of working alone in silence. And tell me how you feel about all this, the AI stuff, the way jobs are changing. I read everything, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.